just gonna slap this, not slap it, but slap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a pretty easy look. It's back to work tomorrow for me, so I just wanted to come on here and do something easy for you guys. I'm going to be using the I Think I Love You palette from ColourPop and a few other things here and there for you guys to see. It's just going to be everyday look, so if you want to recreate it, just keep on watching. So we are going to start off with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is going to be a not full coverage kind of look. I'm just going to put this all over my face here, and this is in the shade medium tan, so I'm just going to go ahead and place it all over my face. And with this one, you want to work in small sections because it dries pretty fast. I'm just going to go ahead and blend this out first. And this is just to even up the skin so you don't have different colors everywhere. It's not a full coverage look. It's just to even up your skin a little bit. So how was your Thanksgiving? Mine was good. Just spent it with family. CJ did have to work that day, but it was good overall. Had some family come over from California, spent it with them, you know, talking, laughing, that sort of thing. Did you guys do any Black Friday shopping? I know there's a bunch of places that had good sales. Even online there was some really good sales. I believe ColourPop also has a Cyber Monday. They had their Cyber Monday. By the time you guys see this, it'll be Tuesday. So I know tomorrow, for me tomorrow, while I'm filming this video, they are gonna have 30% off all their products, which means they had 30% off all their products. But did you guys grab anything from them or anywhere else? I know Anastasia Beverly Hills products were also on sale. I think they had 40% off certain things, or 30%, like different products they would have different sales for. Ulta had a really big one for Thanksgiving. There was a lot of good sales that day for Ulta. And so now I'm gonna go in with my new Instant Age Rewind concealer, and this is in the shade Sand Sable, and I'm just gonna use it like a regular concealer and just conceal everything. Did you guys get some good rest, or did you guys have to work? I was off. Obviously our clinic closes for the holiday and Black Friday, so I didn't have to work starting Thanksgiving all the way to today, which is Sunday when I'm filming this. So tomorrow is back to the grind. Not looking forward to it, but you know, gotta make that money. We can buy more makeup. Just kidding. But kind of, yes. I was able to get the Dose of Colors Katie and Desi palette of one of the lip glosses. Their site also had a sale for 40% off, so I was able to get those. And what else did I get? I got some Christmas presents done. CJ's birthday present. Today is, when I'm posting this, will be Tuesday, so tomorrow, Wednesday the 28th, will be his birthday. Go leave him some love over there. I'll leave his handle down here somewhere so you guys could go wish him a happy birthday. He's gonna be 30. Welcome to the Dirty 30 siege. So that'll be good. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and set all that in place using the Wet n Wild pressed powder, and this is in the shade Natural Beige. Just grabbing one of these. Just so you guys know, I won't be posting for 6 days after this. Just taking a little bit of a break. So just so you know, my next video won't be till like 6 days or so. Just taking a little bit of a break. I'll probably still be filming, but not posting for a few days. But I do have some cool stuff planned for you guys for December. The Easy Peasy series is coming back. And then I also have another one. It will be the Throwback Thursday. I'm really excited for that, so stay tuned. That one's going to be really cool. And then just some Christmas looks that I have coming, and some other fun things, so stay tuned for those. I'm going to go in with the I Think I Love You palette, and I'm going to be using the browns in this palette, which will be, this one here is My Type, and then the other one I'm going to be using is this brown up here, which is Bel Air, and I might use the color Howdy, which is this one right here. Going in the crease first with that lighter shade, which was Bel Air. This one right here. And let me pull you guys in closer so you can see what I'm doing. And then I want a little bit of a darker shade here on the outer V, so I'm going to go in with this shade here, which is my type, this one. And I'm almost bringing it to the middle of the lid there, as you guys can see. Just deepening up that color. Gonna go back in with the shade Bel Air and just blend that crease. And I'm not being too careful with it. It's a pretty light shade, so it doesn't get all over the place. Then with the same brush that we used to get my type, I'm gonna go in this shade Howdy, which is that brown, dark brown shade right there, and put that also on the outer V on top of that other color. And I'm putting it mostly in the middle instead of on the outer V. And then just with my finger here, I'm gonna grab the shade Rowdy, which is this light shade right there, and put that in the inner corner here and on the lid as well. I'm gonna grab that shade Howdy again and just place a little bit over top so that that lighter shade blends in with the darker shade, just so. And then for the lower lash line, I'm gonna grab that shade My Type again, which is that shade, and just sweep that through the lower lash line here. I'm also gonna go in with the shade Bel Air underneath the lash line here. And I'm just smoking it out. I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil, and this is in the shade Milk, and put that on my waterline. And that just makes her eye a little bit bigger and brighter there. And then I'm gonna grab this shade by Morphe. This is the metallic eyeshadow, and this is in the shade Days. It's like a pinky sparkly color, if you can see that. And I'm just gonna put that where I put that lighter shade in. So just in here. I just wanted that to grab onto something. And putting that also in the inner corner there. Now these are really easy to apply. You're just gonna mark it on there and just let it dry. Don't put your eye up or it's gonna transfer over to the top, so let it dry first, and then once it's dry you should be able to blend it if that's what you want to do. But these are really super easy to use. They are from the holiday collection, and these come in a pack of 3, which comes with this one called Flicker, which is the black one. This is the silver one called Poppin', and of course the ones that we used was Dazed. Now that it's dry and the outer corner is good to go, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other eye off camera, and then we'll come back and finish up the face and everything else. Alright, so I'm back with the other side done. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some mascara. I'm gonna be using the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. And now we're gonna finish up the face. I'm gonna go in with my Milani Big Bronzer, and this is in the shade Soleil. And then I'm gonna go in with some blush. I'm gonna be using the BH Cosmetics Glamorous Blush palette. That's what that looks like when you open it. It has a bunch of blushes in there. I'm gonna be using a little bit of this one and this one here. So I'm just gonna mix those two together just for a little bit of blush. And one thing I've been doing lately is I'm just dragging it a little bit on my nose here and just a little bit on my forehead and on my chin, and that's it. And then just for a subtle glow today, I'm gonna go in with my MAC Soft and Gentle highlighter. And then my lips, I'm going to be using the Butter Gloss from NYX, and this is in the shade Creme Brulee. This is just a gloss. Not doing anything too crazy today. And to set it all in place, I'm going to use my Urban Decay All Nighter. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Remember that I won't be posting here for at least 6 days or so, but I have some awesome videos coming to you in December. Stay tuned for those. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. We'll see you in my next one. Toodles! Now to take this all off. Yeah. That's a wrap. Ow.